our little sword back. Attack method makes the hero attack the target. Okay, we haven't attacked anybody yet.
CodeCombat. Move right.
True names. Attack Brack twice. That's Brack up there. Collect the gem. Attack Treg twice. Your hero must survive. So it looks like we're shanking Brack and Treg and getting gems. Use the attack method to attack an enemy by their name. Capitalization is important. Okay. So, where's Brack at? Okay, there we go. Cause I'm like, I can't see. Alright, so we're gonna move right. Move. Or is he coming down? Let's run this code and see what happens. Because I want to know if he's moving. Are we going to him?
Move right.
What are we doing?
Attack.
Okay.
Type that move right command on line 7.
Gotcha. No, I don't want tips. Okay. So you attack them twice in order for them to die. Got it. Alright, so we're going to move right. Attack, attack. Move right. Nope. Hero. Move right. And then hero. Attack. What's his name? Treg? And we have to attack him twice. I think we're over far enough.
Move right. Move right. Attack.
Bow, bow.
Move right. Attack.
Oh. Sheesh. We attacked Brack and Treg. Alright.